So last episode, we made quite a mess, you know. Got all these messages right here, and let's say I want to delete all of them. Now to do this, I would create like a clear or prune command, which, you know, I just go in here, I type like, you know, clear messages, then type the amount of messages I wish to clear, so like maybe 20, like that. Now for this, I'll need to be able to read this 20 parameter right there. And in this video, we'll be going over how to read that parameter, you know, just reading it. So yeah, let's get straight into things. So to read a parameter, you're going to simply use the restore params. So if we go to, I guess it's, oh shoot, what is it? I think it's other stuff. Store command parameters. There it is. So what this is going to do is it's going to store one of the parameters from the source command. So we're going to take, for example, the one parameter number 1. Now what this means that, say you have multiple parameters, like, I don't know, let's say we have like command 30 dog and then 3. So this 30 right here is going to be the first parameter, dog is a second, and 3 is going to be a third parameter. So for our clear messages command, 20 is going to be the first parameter. So what we're going to do is we're going to set it so it's going to be the source info is going to be one parameter, that's going to be parameter number 1. Then we're going to store this into a variable called amount, right? So we'll create that action. Next, we'll use the delete bulk messages, which is going to be, I believe it's in right here, delete bulk messages. So it's going to be the same channel that the command is used in. The amount to delete is going to be a temporary variable called amount, like we said in before, so amount. And then the delete condition is just going to be none. So it's going to delete all the messages indiscriminately. So we'll hit create action. Then we'll set this to be, you know, clear message, like that. Save. And then, of course, run the project just like this. Oh, that should be clear messages. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. So we'll go drag this over right here, and we'll do clear message 30. Or, you know, just for testing purposes, we'll make it 3. So it should clear this one out, and this one out, and bring it to the 4 right here. So let's see what happens. As you can see, it cleared out all 3 of those messages and brought us down to this 4 message right here. So if we want to delete all of these, we'll just go like clear message. We'll put the exclamation point right there. Clear message 30. There we go. That's that. There we go. They're all gone now. So that's really all there is to it. Parameters are pretty simple. So let's try to make another command that uses, say, 2 parameters. So what we'll do is we'll do like generate number, and it'll generate a random number between the first parameter and the second parameter. So this will generate a random number between 1 and 30. So to do this, we'll go back to our thing, we'll stop our bot like this, and we'll go and do, let's see here. So first we'll store the first parameter, so let's go to other stuff, store command parameters. We'll store the first parameter and store it into, I guess we'll call it min. And then we'll store the second parameter. So we'll go once again to store command params like that. So we'll do the one parameter. It's going to be the second parameter, and we'll call this max, and it'll of course be a temporary variable. Next, we'll generate a random number with these 2 parameters. So of course we'll go to other stuff once again, generate random number. The first one, of course, is going to be min, just like that. We'll pull that over here for the same thing. We'll make this max, just like that, and then it'll be stored into a variable name called result, just like that. So finally, we will go to our send message event, and we'll say the result is, and it'll be a temp variable called result, just like that. Create the action, save the project, run the project, and oh shoot, I forgot to, okay, wait a second. We'll call this generate random. And now, of course, we'll run that project like that. And now we should generate a random number. So let's pull up Discord right here, and we'll just do, here it is. So generate random will generate between 20 and 40. So there we go. The result is 35. So how about we generate between, like, I don't know, I guess 200 and maybe 202. And of course the result is 202. How about we generate a random number between, let's see here. We'll make it big. We'll do 1 to, like, I don't know, 1 million, I guess. And there we go. There's our number. So that's all we got to do for generating a random number. For the final thing, let's try, I guess, having a command insert a message, and that message being sent to a different channel through the bot. So to do that, we'll actually go back down here, we'll stop the project, we'll get rid of all these, and we'll create a command called send. Now what send would do is it'll first find a channel named result, or name, what will we name it? We'll name it target, right? Okay, so we'll go back into Discord, we'll create a channel called target, like that, all right? So now what we'll do is we'll say, well, we're going to find the channel. So find channel by name. This channel will be called target like that, and it'll be stored into a temp variable called channel like so. Next, we'll get the params. So we'll go to other stuff. We'll get store command parameters. We'll store multiple parameters starting from parameter number 1. Now what this does is it starts from parameter number 1 and inserts all of the parameters starting from that point. So say, for example, I do a command that's like command, this is a lot of parameters. Now what this is going to do is going to take parameter number 1 and get all the parameters from this point onward. So if we did it for 2, it'd get from this point onward, 3 from this point onward. You get the idea. So what's going to happen here is we're going to get all of the parameters starting from 1, which is just going to be all of them placed into one spot. And we'll call this, I guess, message, like that. Then, of course, we'll send this message to our temp variable channel. So we'll go to temp variable channel like this, and we'll send the message just like this. So the message was message, and we'll create the action, save the project, run the project, and now when we go and use a send action like this, so we'll go and here we'll be like send. This is the target channel, like so. Now, as you can see, in the target channel, the bot sent that message just like that. Simple, easy, great, awesome. Hope you get the idea. That's all for this video. Look forward to next time when we, I guess we do events. So yeah, yeah.